Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at a famous hand, and it was a made-up hand, and it was used in the movie Moonraker with James Bond. James Bond was a very keen and good high-stakes rubber bridge player, which means he played for a lot of money. And one of his adversaries, Count Drax, was a known cheat at the game. And on this hand, while Drax was out of the room, James Bond set this hand up purposely to upset Drax. And he was sitting south, James Bond, and he opened the most extraordinary thing. He opened 7 clubs on this hand, the Grand Slam in clubs. You wouldn't actually do that, but it was a set-up hand, and it was trying to get Drax to double and lose his money. So we'll try 7 clubs, goes pass, Drax, sitting east, doubled. Well, James Bond redoubled, which, as you know, doubles up more than the double. So there's an enormous score. If you make a contract redoubled, and if you go down redoubled, it's bad. So look at this. No points in this hand at all. How ridiculous could be a 7-club redoubled contract? Well, the way the cards were set up, it's going to make. Hard to imagine. We trump the first heart lead. Now play a low diamond and trumpet. Drax's king of diamonds appears. Now play a club and try the 10. It holds the trick. Play another diamond and trumpet. Down comes Drax's ace. Now all our diamonds are winners, provided we play the queen, dropping the jack. But we've also got to now get rid of the trumps. Try the queen. We know that West has no clubs. Now the ace will take Drax's king. Now the queen of diamonds. And amazingly, everything else is good in our hand. So, despite the fact that Drax held this hand, 31 high card points, hard to imagine, he doubled, James Bond redoubled, and he was able to make the contract for 2,660 points. That would be a lot of money that Drax lost on that hand. Of course, it was a setup, but it just goes to show the extraordinary power of length and distribution in bridge. Try the hand yourself. It's a fun hand. See if you can make it for fun. It would never happen, but it was in the movie Moonraker.